Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Olson and I teach computer programming and robotics. In this video we're going to learn about what happens in computer programming class. Let's get started. So as I mentioned, I teach both computer programming and robotics. A little bit of background, I've been teaching for 35 years. I originally got my degree in English with a minor in computer science. And I've worked as a teacher, a technology specialist, and I've also been a history teacher. And recently I just got my CTE certification to teach programming and robotics. So computer programming, what we're going to be learning about is the very basics of the language Python. And we're going to do it in 3 different areas: data, decisions, and drawing. And we're going to use the program TechSmart. And I kind of want to show you a live version of that really quickly. So this is what it looks like. Kids will see what their assignments are for each day. They click into it. It'll have some instructions over here. It will have the solution, what it's supposed to look like when their program should run. And they should match that up with when they run their program. Does it look the same or similar? So I'm hoping that they've already showed you this. If they haven't, please say, hey, I heard about TechSmart. Show me what's up with that. And then over here on the right-hand side, you can see that some assignments may show up as past due. Look at all these assignments I haven't done. Terrible, Miss Olson. So if you see them in the past due category, encourage them to either come at Gator time, and I can help them. They can come after school, or they can come during lunchtime. Another thing I want to point out is at the very bottom of the main page, there are some teaching slides and videos. So if a kid gets stuck, they can go to teaching slides and say, I forgot how to concatenate a number. It will take you through the lesson that I gave to them in class and give you everything that I said in class and what we learned about that. So exploring TechSmart and showing kids where things are around this would be great. All right, let's get back to the slideshow. So what types of programs are we going to work on? We're going to make simple calculators. We're going to create some word games, decision tree models, trivia games, and simple drawings. And here's an example of the code that we'll be using. And what you see in the gray are things I love about this program is that it scaffolds the learning with as much information as kids need. So once kids say to me, you know what, I think I know how to do the modulus of the total, I can say, okay, great, I'm going to take these hints off for you. And when I take the hints off, they kind of raise their ability to program at a higher level, therefore earning a 4. If they need these to understand the subject matter, they will stay on there. They won't go away unless I feel, both the student and I feel like they are ready to move on from that. Now, just a small pitch for an advisory committee. We have a lot of expensive computers in this classroom, and one of the things that I'm tasked with doing is asking the parents and community members to join an advisory committee. And this is just so I'm keeping update with what's really happening in the real world and making sure that's translating down to what I'm teaching. So if you're interested in joining the advisory committee, just shoot me an email, sarah.olson@mercerislandschools.org, and I would be happy for you to join us. Looking forward to a fun year. We'll talk to you soon.